daw ng magandang laro.
Okay, kabayan po tayo. Players, accessories, higaw man yan, o kwintas, bracelet. Pakitanggal na po at pakitakin po ng maayos ang ating jersey. First five, pasok! Jump ball between number 34 and 14. Number 37. Number 20. Intercepting number 21. No good. Rebound number 34. Number 30, pass to number 21 from downtown. No good. Rebound ni number 28, pass to number Cooper 2 para kay number 21. 15 on the shot clock. Number 34, 10. No good. 5. Good for two para kay number 11. $15 on the shot clock. Airball. Pass to number... Uy, no good. Solo play yun. Number 30 from downtown. No good. Rebound number 28. Number 28, no good. 15 to shoot. Number 14, no good again. Rebound number 28. Good for two para kay number 24. Number 34, 15 on the shot clock. Number 37, good for two. Pass to number 24 from downtown. No good. Number 21. Setting a play. 15 on the shot clock. Number 8. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 37 from downtown. No good. Rebound to number 11. Pass to number 28. 15 on the shot clock. Number 28, 10 to shoot. Pass to number 14. Good for two para number 14. Number 30, pass to number 21. Pass to number 8. Wow! Good for two para number 8. 8-4 po ang ating score. Number 21, pass to number 28. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to number 24, number 24. Good for two para number 24. Out of bounds. Simple tayo. 19 to shoot. Number 37, 15. Good for two para number 37. Number 24. Pass to number 28, 15 on the shot clock. Number 24 from downtown. 3. 13-6 ang ating score. 15 on the shot clock. Number 34 from downtown. No good na lang. Rebound ni number 21. Pass to number 14. No good. Rebound pa rin ni number 24. 15 to shoot. Number 28. 10 on the shot clock. Number 28. No good. Substitution tayo. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Number 30. Pass to number 34. 15 on the shot clock. Number 37. Who's ball rep? Foul, jersey number 6. First personal foul and first team foul. First, no good.
Step tayo, idol. Step tayo. Huwag namin pa pangalaman.
Second and last row. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin niya. Number 21 from downtown. No good. Who's ball rep? Foul, jersey number 37. Substitution tayo rep. First personal foul and first team foul. Number 14, setting a play. Pass to number 28, pass to number 24 from downtown again. No good na lang. Rebound in number 12. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Intercept in number 28. First division rep. Out of bounds. SCBC ball. Number 14, pass to number 24 from downtown. No good. Rebound in number 15. Intercept in number 6. Number 14. Intercept in number 15. On the shot clock. Who's ball rep? Foul, jersey number 24. First personal foul and second team foul. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 12, pass to number 77. Intercept to number 14, pass to number 28. Good job para number 28. Number 77. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 24. Substitution time rep. 24 out. 14 out. Idol, pakitakin po ang ating jersey. Second personal foul and third team foul. 18 to shoot. Number 7. Good job para number 7. Minutes and 30. Number 22. Pass to number 23. No good. Rebound number 28. Five seconds. Number 28 from downtown. 3. Number 77. Pass to number 12. 15 on the shot clock. 77. 10. Number 12. No good. Rebound in number 15. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 19. First personal foul and running for penalty. Intercept number 28. Good job para number 28. Score natin, 28. Labang ang SCBC. Number 77, 15 on the shot clock. Number 7, good for two para number 7. Number 28, pass to number 22, 15 on the shot clock. Out of bounds, pink ball. Number 77, setting the play. Pass to number 7. Good for two para number 7. Number 22, pass to number 28. 15 on the shot now. Number 23. No good, rebound pa rin niya. Good for two para number 23. Intercept to number 22. Double dribble. Number 77. Pass to number 15. Number 15. From downtown. No good. Rebound to number 23. Pass to number 28. Number 22. From downtown. No good. Rebound number 15. Pass to number 77. Foul jersey number 26. Ay, 77, sorry. First personal foul and second team foul. Number 28. 45 seconds. 15 on the shot now. Number 22. Pass to number 23. Good for two. On the shot clock tayo. 27 seconds. 14 on the shot clock. Goes foul rep. Foul jersey number 15. First personal foul and 13 foul. Good for two para number 22. Number 7. Intercept to number 28. Wala na po tayo shot clock. 15 seconds. Intercept to number 12. 10 seconds. Huli na. Basket tayo. No basket. Nagahama eh. 3 seconds ito. No basket tayo. No, pakaloobat lang.
Oo, ang kinaghang. Naghang sa 3 seconds eh. Oo. Dalawang tira ko.
Kita balik po tayo. SCBC ball po tayo. Number 3, pass to number 7. Number 3 again, pass to number 7 from downtown. No good. Rebound to number 15, pass to number 30. Number 30, pass to number 7. Good for two para number 7. Number 3. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to number 17, pass to number 3, pass to number 7. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 6. Good for two. Ang gandang pasa nun. Iba ka talaga, teammate ko. from downtown, number 33. 28-17. Number 9, 15 on the shot now. Double J para kay number 9. Number 30 from downtown, no good. Rebound ni number 15. Travel in violation. Number 3. Setting a play. Continue on the shot clock. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 7. And to shoot. Pass to number 6. Double draw! And Poblacion! Ay! Friday Boleros pala, sorry. Matatapos na lang pala. Nagpapakitang gilas ang aking teammate, dati. Hindi ka pa rin nagbabago, ha? Back to the ball game po tayo. Number 7. Out of bounds. Miscommunication. Number 3. Setting a play. Pass to number 9. Number 9.
Nice one!
Miscommunication there. Number 30. Setting a play. Pass to number 37. No good. Rebound pa rin niya. Out of bounds. SCBC ball. Number 7. Setting a play. Pass to number 9. No good. Rebound pa rin niya. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Double J para kay number 0. Score natin. 34-17. Number 7. Pass to number 30 from downtown. No good. Rebound ni number 15. Oy! May sumabit. Close ball rep. Foul jersey number 9. First personal foul and first team foul. First throw ni number 15. Pumasok. Second and last throw. Pumasok ulit. Number 3. Pass to number 0. 15 on the shot clock. Number 9. Pass to number 7.
Yan, di makatira oh.
Pass to number 3. From downtown. 3. Walang bukas yun. Number 7. 15 on the shot clock. No good. Rebound ni number 0. Pass to number 7. Number 3, setting a play. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Number 7. 5. Out of bounds. Simula. 14 on the shot clock tayo. Substitution direct. Number 10 out, number 34 in. Number 3, setting a play. 10 on the shot clock. 5. Number 9, good for 2. Number 30, setting a play. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 15, good for 2. Number 3. 15 on the shot clock. Intercept to number 30. Pass to number 7. Go for 2 para number 7. Number 7, pass to number 9, 15 on the shot clock. Number 9, go for 2 para number 9. Number 30, 15 on the shot clock. Intercept ni number 9. Number 9. Go good. Number 34. Tiniretso na ni number 34. Go for 2. Number 34. Pass to number 7. Go for 2. Time out tayo, time out. SCBC. Nalilink yung pindot ng basa. Back to the ball game po tayo. SCBC ball. Number 28. Pass to number 7. No good, rebound pa rin niya. No good pa rin.
Baksak!
10 to shoot. Who's ball rep? Who's ball rep? Foul, jersey number 15. Second personal foul and first team foul. Intercept number 7. Basket out. Foul jersey number 14. First personal foul and second team foul. Sub tayo, rep. Takin po tayo. Bonus throw para ka number 7. No good. Number 28. Number 11. No good. Rebound ni number 34. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Number 27. Go for 2. Number 14, setting a play. Number 14, pass to number 28. 3. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 30. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to number 37, 10. Who's ball rep? Foul jersey number 14. Substitution tayo. Second personal foul and third team foul. 14 to shoot tayo ha. Ten to shoot. Good for Joe para kay number 37. Number 28. Pass to number 24 from downtown. Number Balang, rebound number 7. Foul jersey number 14, Balang foul. Third personal foul and warning for penalty. Substitution tayo.
Laban ito yan.
Number 30 from downtown. 3. Number 28. Pass to number 24 from downtown. Number Galang, rebound number 37. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 27. Number 30 from downtown again. Number Galang, rebound number 24. Number 24. Rebound number 30. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 34. Good for 2. Number 11. Pass to number 28. 15 on the shot now. Number 24. 10 to shoot. Number 28. Now good, rebound number 37, pass to number 30. Good for 2. Time out! SCBC. Score natin, 44-40. 4-point lead para sa SCBC. Wala na po timeout ang SCBC sa first half. Ang Friday Boleros, meron pang isa. Number 21, pass to number 6. Pass to number 11. Good for 2 para number 11.
Okay, one stop
20
now.
seconds. Number 7. Pass to number 19. No good. First ball rep. Foul jersey number 12. First personal foul and second team foul. Number 24 from downtown. No good. Rebound number 19. Pass to number 9. Wala na tayong shot, naka? Game clock na lang. Number 9. Pass to number 21. 10 seconds. Number 7. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 11. First personal foul and penalty. Rock and roll tayo rep. First roll ni number 7. Pumasok. Second and last throw. Pumasok ulit. Wala na tayong shot, naka. And for the first half, score natin, 46-42. 4-point lead para sa SCBC.
May bonus ka pang chicken kayo.
Eh, syempre. Request lang kayo.
Magti-treatment kayo. Magtaas kayo.
Tama.
Back to the ball game po tayo. Rep kayo na second quarter, rep. Oo, sa kanila second quarter, rep. Tayo, sa Boleros tayo. Number 7. Number 15 on the shot clock. No good. Good for two para ka number 7. Dalawa na po kalabangan ng SCBC. Number 21, pass to number 6. Good for two para ka number 6. Number 15. Setting a play. Pass to number 7, 15 on the shot clock. Out of bounds. SCBC ball. Number 228. Pass to number 223 from downtown. No good. Rebound in number 222. 10. No good. Rebound number 223. Good for 2. Number 13. Intercepted number 222. Pass to number 28. To number 6. Traveling violation tayo dyan. Number 7, pass to number 15, pass to number 12, pass to number 30, 15 on the shot clock, pass to number 7, 10 to shoot, pass to number 12, no good, rebound number, sumabit, close ball rep. Foul jersey number 15. Third person. 51.
Friday. Sab tayo, rep. Sab.
Dalawa na yung 51. Dalawa yung 51. Isa ang number 15. Si number 15, isa. Yun ang number 15, tapos ikaw po 51. Okay. Sab tayo, rep. Sab tayo.
Hindi. Dalawa yung 51. 15.
First row. Pumasok. Parehas. Number 30, pass to number 34. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to number 30, pass to number 34. 10 to shoot.
Nice one.
Purple zero para kay number 12.
Jay, wala na.
52-46. Okay. Friday Valera style. Number 30. Number 34 from downtown. No good. Number 34. Pass to number 30.
Nice one.
Good pressure para kay number 30. 4-point lead para sa SCBC. Number 14, setting a play. Pass to number 7, 15 on the shot clock. Pass to number 6. No good. Rebound in number 14. Pass to number 30. From downtown. No good. Out of bounds.
Open shot. Ayun na.
Number 7. Pass to number 22. 15 on the shot clock. Musbal rep. Foul jersey number 14. First personal foul and second team foul. Two shot para kay number 23. First throw, wala. Second and last throw, pumasok na. Number 30. Pass to number 15. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Number 15 from downtown. No good.
Nice one.
Musbal rep. Foul jersey number 6. Hitting the head. Substitution tayo rep.
Jen.
Tawagin nyo na lang po. Second personal foul para kay number 6 and first team foul.
Hey, Jeff. Sap. Ay, ibigay na kayo. Taka. Ibigay na po. Taka.
First throw, pumasok. Second last throw, no good. Rebound in number 14. Number 14, pull up jump, no good. Rebound in number 22. Musbal rep. Foul jersey number 12. Substitution tayo rep. Second personal foul and third team foul. First turn in number 22, pumasok. Score natin, 54-49. Second and last throw, pumasok ulit. Number 37. Musbal rep.
Parang si ano eh.
First personal foul and second team foul. 18 to shoot. Number 37. 15 on the shot clock.
Emi ka lang!
Number 30. Pass to number 12. 10 to shoot. Good for zero para kay number 37.
Ba.
Rebound number 34. Intercept ni number 9. Rebound ulit number 34. Pass to number 30. Number 12. Pass to number 7. Good for 2. Four minutes and 15. Number 37, 15 on the shot clock. No good. Rebound number 14. Pass to number 7. Basket down. Rush the ball, rep. Foul jersey number 30. First warning. Yeah. Time out. Friday, 16 na tayo. Okay, wait lang po. Score natin, 60-51 in favor of SCBC. Yung pindutan natin, nag-miscommunicate na rin. Back to the ball game tayo. Number 21, setting a play. Pass to number 7. 15 on the shot clock. Same ball tayo. On the shot clock. No good. Rebound number 17. Pass to number 14. Good for 2 by number 14. 62-51. Number 7. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 7. Good for 2. Number 7. Pass to number 14. 15 on the shot clock. Number 14. Miscommunication. Three minutes and 30. Number 21, setting a play. Number 21, pass to number 37, good for 2. (62-55). Number 7, setting a play. 15 on the shot clock. Number 9, pass to number 14, good for 2. Number 9, pakita kayo po ang ating jersey, number 9. 15 on the shot clock. Number 15, no good. Rebound number 14. Number 7. Number 15. Loose foul rep. Foul jersey number 22.
Saan tayo?
Number 9 ng SCBC, pakita ang front jersey. Number 7. Second personal foul and third team foul. Good for 2, para number na 37.
Number 9.
Nice one.
Technical foul, jersey number 9 for improper uniform. Kanina pa po kita sinasabihan na magtaki.
Wato.
One shot tayo rin.
Hindi ka naman pagsabihan.
Kasama sa ano yun.
Nasa rules yun. Nasa rules.
Kasama sa first round.
Bonus throw, pumasok. Number 22, setting a play. Pass to number 7, 15 on the shot clock. Pass to number 14. 10 to shoot. Good for two para kay number 9. $66, 58. Number 7, out of bounds. Same ball tayo. 16 on the shot clock. $15 on the shot clock. Out of bounds. Substitution tayo rep. Oras natin, 1 minute and 44 seconds. Okay na. Number 7, setting a play. Pass to number 3 from downtown. Rebound ni number 10. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 21. Good for two. Score natin, 66-60. Number 23. Pass to number 14. 15 on the shot clock. Usman rep. Foul jersey number 10. Penalty tayo rep. First personal foul, penalty. First throw, no good. Second and last throw, pumasok. 67-60. Out of bounds. Same ball tayo. 17 to shoot. $15 on the shot clock.
Nice orbit!
Rebound ni number 14. Number 14. Setting a play. 15. Intercept ni number 10. Intercept naman ni number 3. Number 7 from downtown. No good. Rebound ni number 37.
Ayan! Kante!
Basket count. Who's the ball, right? Foul jersey number 19. 19. Okay.
62 yun ha?
Number 7, setting a play. 1 second, different from the shot clock and the game clock. Good for two para kay number 14. Wala na po tayo shot clock. 5 seconds.
Oras sa orbit!
4 seconds. And the third period. No basket. Start the fourth and final quarter. SC visible tayo. Pumasok na si coach. Number 12. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 3. Ay, 28 pala yun, sorry. Intercept to number 30. Good pursuit para ka number 30. Number 0. Setting a play. Pass to number 28. 15 on the shot clock. Number 24 from downtown. 3. Number 30, setting a play. Number 30 from downtown. Number Galang, rebound to number 6. To number 24, pass to number 28. Number 28. Out of bounds, same ball. 16 on the shot clock. On the shot clock. Number 28. Pass to number 12. 5 seconds. Number 28. No good. Rebound in number 37. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 37. No good. Rebound pa rin niya. 13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 34. Good pursuit para number 34. 72-67. 5-point lead para sa SCBC. Number 6, good pursuit. 74-67. Number 30. 15 on the shot clock. Number 37 from downtown. No good. Rebound number 28. Number 28. 15 on the shot clock. No good. Good pursuit para number 12. 15 on the shot clock. Number 20 for downtown. No good. Same ball tayo. Number 30. Number 27. From downtown. No good. Rebound number 24. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 27. Substitution tayo rep. First personal foul and first team foul. First draw, pumasok. Score natin, 77-67. Second and last round para kay number 28. Pumasok. No good. Rebound number 28. Pass to number 6. Number 6. No good. Rebound number 7. Houston rep. Foul jersey number 24. Third personal foul and first team foul. First draw, pumasok. Score natin, 78-68. 10-point lead para sa SCBC. Second and last throw. No good. Double ball tayo dyan, rep.
Bola.
Double ball po tayo. Jersey number 0 and jersey number 34.
Same ball.
Same ball tayo.
Ay, kulang yan, oh.
Second personal foul and second team foul. Both players.
Ninyo, diskarte, ninyo.
19 to shoot tayo, ha?
Ninyo, diskarte. Tabi.
15 on the shot clock. Who's ball, rep? 14 for both, 12. Foul, jersey number 12. First personal foul and
Okay.
third team foul.
Screen.
Number 7. No good. Rebounding number 12. 10 to shoot.
Nice one.
Good for zero para kay number 37.
Kuha agad.
Kuha. Ninyo. Tapos ang puso na yan, oh.
78-70.
Sab ko, sab.
15 on the shot clock. Number 0. No good. Rebounding number 34. To number 7. Time out, SCBC. Score natin, 78-70. 8-point lead para sa SCBC. Back to the ball game po tayo. Oras natin, sarado 6 na minuto. 14 to shoot tayo, 14 to shoot.
Ayan, bigay!
Galaw, ready.
10 to shoot. Number 7, no good.
Nakamo,
Number 24. No good. Rebound number 14. Good for 2. Number 30. Setting a play. Pass to number 37. 15 on the shot clock.
yan.
Number 34. 10 to shoot.
Hindi, okay?
No good. Rebound number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 14. 15 on the shot clock. Traveling violation tayo dyan. Number 30. Pass to number 7. Number 7 setting a play. 15 on the shot clock. Number 77, no good. Rebound number 14. Pass to number 28. Number 28.
3 seconds.
Good for 2 para kay number. And out! Riley Valeros. Good for 2 para kay number 24.
Tapos sa ninyo, ako mas ko. Yung na nga na yun, tira mo na yun.
82-70. Isa na lang po ang timeout ng Friday Boleros. Ang SCBC. Meron pang dalawa. Back to the ball game po tayo. Number 30. Setting a play. 15 on the shot clock. Number 37, no good. Rebound number 12. Rebound number 14.
Hoy, baba na!
Pass to number 28. Number 24, 15 on the shot clock. No good. Rebound number 12. Pass to number 30. Hula, 15 on the shot clock. Number 37, pass to number 12. No good. Rebound number 6. Pass to number 28. Huli ka rin dyan. 15 on the shot clock. Number 24 from downtown. No good. Rebound number 7. Number 7. Good for Joe, para number 30. Time out, SCBC. Score natin, 82-72. Oras natin, 3 minutes and 31 sa ating fourth and final quarter. Both teams ko, tag-isa na lang po ang time out nyo. Back to the ball game po tayo. Number 7, pass to number 24, pass to number 7, setting a play, pass to number 14, 15 on the shot clock. Out of bounds. Number 37, pass to number 7,
Aris! Aris!
Usman rep, foul jersey number 3.
Warning na sila, penalty.
First personal foul and warning for penalty. 15 on the shot clock. Number 13, pass to number 37, pass to number 12.
Kuha, kuha! Screen!
Yeah, to shoot. Number 7, Philip J. Herbert 2.
Aris, screen lang.
82-74. 8.3 para sa SCBC. 15 on the shot clock. No good. Rebound number 37.
Bigyan! Bigyan! Bigyan!
Number 30 from downtown. No good na lang. Rebound number 14.
Tagal ibigay ni Aris.
Number 7.
Billy, nice one. Nice.
Good for Joe para number 7.
Gege, kuha, kuha! Eh, kuha! Kuha sa mga pasahan, Aris!
82-76.
Kuha, kuha, yun o!
Last 2 minutes. 15 on the shot clock.
Okay.
Basket down. Wait lang mo. Tayo natin yung... Usman rep. Foul jersey number 3. Sab tayo. Sab muna tayo rep.
Score ko isa. 78.
Penalty tayo. Tapos,
78. Counted. Jim, nice. Diyan ka lang.
bonus throw para kay number 30.
Jim, diyan ka
Bumasa.
lang. Ayan. Tingnan mo yung mula, ano, tingnan mo.
3-point lead na lang po para sa SCBC.
Ay, wag ka nang tumingin sa kukuha! Ano?
Number 14, pass to number 21, pass to number 6. 1 minute and 40, 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Number 14, 5 to shoot. Number 24 from downtown, 3. Number 37.
Nice.
Usman Rep, foul jersey number 14. Warning for Broadway number 14 and penalty. First throw, pumasok. Score natin, 85-80. Second and last throw para kay number 37. No good. Rebound ni number 7. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 21. Foul jersey number 21. First personal foul and penalty.
Nice one, nice one.
2 shot para kay number 30. First round, pumasok. Second and last round para kay number 40.
Diyan na.
Pumasok ulit.
Jim! Pota. Ayan, Jim, ayan, Jim.
Number 7.
Hey!
Setting a play, 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. No good. Where's my... Ayun na bola rep. Same ball tayo. 14 to shoot tayo. 56 seconds tayo. 56 seconds. 14 to shoot tayo. 14 to shoot. No good. Lagi pa rin. Dito siya para kay number 12. Number 21. Pass to number 6.
Tayo mo pa kami isa, di ba?
10 to shoot. Naghahang yung timer natin. 5 seconds.
Kuha!
10 shoot. 5. Wala na ba tayo shot na? Push my rep. Foul jersey number 21. Second personal foul and penalty.
Jim, personal!
Wala na pa tayong shot lakad. Game clock na lang pa tayo. 6 seconds.
Son! Ay, son! Ako metro ko! Son!
First throw, pumasok. Second and last throw. Pumasok. Alright! SCBC. Lamang po ang Boleros ng isa. SCBC po, penalty na. Ang Friday Boleros, hindi ba? Penalty na po kayo. Second team foul pa lang po ng Friday Boleros. Back to the ball game po tayo.
Asti! Eh, tayo mo.
Time out! Friday Boleros. Wala na pang time out, both team. Inuulit mo, wala na pang time out, both team ha. SCBC ko, penalty. Second team foul po ang Friday Boleros. Bago tabaligan po tayo. Number 14, inbound pass to number 24. 5 seconds. Point 3 seconds. Point 3. Point 3. May point 3 pa rito. Point 3.
Ay, Coach Jeff! Meron pang fire!
Meron pa po tayong point 3. May point 3 pa po, may point 3. And the ball game, congratulations, Friday Boleros.
Congrats, Friday Boleros.
Pabulot po, pabulot. Nagpakat po, pabakat. Ayun, okay na. Salamat po.
Congrats, Friday Boleros. 2-0 na ang Friday Boleros.